Hi everybody. Today, Monday, September 8th, in botany class, we went over some notes on pollination starting on slide 7 in the presentation that's posted in Canvas. But we talked about exactly like what a pollen grain is, and it contains sperm cells, how they travel. We talked about the difference of cross-pollination and self-pollination, right? And then kind of the benefits of cross-pollination and how both self and cross-pollination are used to in agriculture to create like different varieties of crops. We really focused on peppers. We talked about what causes like the different amount of spice in the peppers. And then I ate some really hot peppers in class and suffered for it. After that, I assigned 2 videos for you guys to watch in Ed Puzzle. And you should be able to see that in the module in Canvas. The first video is, they'll just label like pollination video 1 and pollination video 2. But all you need to do is watch the videos and then answer a few questions at the end of each video clip. I think the first video clip's like 3.5 minutes long, and the second's like maybe 4.5 minutes long. All right, but that's it for today. Thanks, guys.